Hello guys!
Hi, we're gonna unbox my coloring book and pencil.
Okay. Good girl na siya na nagdugod na siya sa school. First is
Can you open?
tissues. What's that? That's
Isabel.
this is you read ultimate coloring book.
And this is my pencils.
Colored pencils. Na pangit lagi mo. And
And this is my princess coloring book.
sketchpad, Reese.
Yeah, sketch pad.
And here is diri ipot tanan ha.
Yeah.
And Reese said all niya mga old na colored pencils kay iyahan ng will do it sa ina to
Return.
i-donate.
Wow!
You happy?
Yeah.
Ilang marker ni Dada. This is for work.
Can you help?
It's like this just full hang tab.
So funny. So.
So many colors. How many colors?
Oh, Mom, I return it.
Yes, you did. Sorry.
Stop messing it.
We did not mean it.
Okay.
So many colors, guys. How many colors nina?
48.
14. Dapat yun di uli isa-isa.
Mama, I think I'm gonna color this star. His face is a yellow. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's yellow. Let's check.
Yung mga name.
Yeah, it's yellow.
129. So, 129 is, look, magenta. What number? What number is this one?
12, 4.
1, 2, 4. You look right here. 1, 2, 4. It's,
Yellow.
yeah, it's the back. Wow! Ka nice? Okay, nice? Nice.
Then nice.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Happy to say to Mama and Dada?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just get.
So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.